In my last video, I talked about how to make money on TikTok with AI TikTok Shop. And one of the things I showed was how to use Claude Code to automate the video editing part. Because manually editing these videos takes a lot of time because it is the most time consuming part of the process. And if you can just get AI to handle that for you, it will free up a lot of your time. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to set the system up. And by the end, you will have Claude Code doing most of the heavy lifting so you can focus on everything else. So let's get right into it. Okay, so to better illustrate how using AI to edit your videos will save you like 90% of your time in the manual process, how you would edit a video is if you were to edit your videos with CapCut here, you open up CapCut, right? Go to create project, and then you have to manually find your video. Let's say we're going to import this. And here we have the video here, and then you would make your edits. So let's say we are going to duplicate this clip. We are going to click on copy and then click on paste here, drag this in, and then we are going to reverse the clip. And then we are going to add text or whatever effects that you want to the videos. So if you're doing AI TikTok Shop and if you have to create like 10 to 15 videos like this a day, even with like simple edits, it definitely adds up and it would take you a lot of time. Now with AI, you can pretty much automate the entire process. You don't even need to open CapCut or any of the video editor that you use. So let me show you exactly how this works. So here I have Claude Code open, and then I have two folders open. One folder is called raw videos, and one folder is called ready to post. That's how I'm going to structure it. So here is the same product video that we had before. So as you can see here, it's like a 5 seconds video that we have here about this product that was generated by AI. So let's come into Claude Code and we are just going to say, can you launch the video editing processor? And then just type this in, click on yes. And then you're going to see that skill is successfully loaded. Click on yes again. So once the processor is launched, all we have to do is to come to the product video. We are going to rename this to the product's name. So in this case, it's called 5 feet artificial tree. And that's the text that's going to go on the video. I think that's just good for SEO on TikTok. And what we're going to do is to just literally just drag this file into the raw videos folder. And then that video is going to automatically be edited. And as you can see here, that was about 5 to 7 seconds of time. And then we see a new file here that's in the ready to post folder. So let me open this and show you the difference. So this became a 10 seconds video. And then I added the banner here that says here sell and then end soon. And then the name that's called 5 feet artificial tree. So that was all like automated. And the reason why I made this 10 seconds is because when you download the video from like Kling AI, it could be any AI video generation site, the videos tend to be really short. And also it's less expensive to generate the shorter videos. So what I do is I generate a 5 seconds video, I have Claude Code automatically duplicate it and then reverse the footage. So that became a 10 seconds video from a 5 seconds one. So that is one example of how you can use Claude Code to automate your video editing. Now, let me walk you through exactly step by step how to set this up. Okay, so the first step is you need to have a Claude account. So you can come into Claude.ai and then just register for an account if you haven't yet. And then I do believe to use Claude Code, you do need a pro subscription at least. So when you scroll down here, you're able to subscribe here. So just click on Try Claude and then you'll be able to set this up. The next step is to download Visual Studio Code. So you can just Google this and come to this website. And I'll also list out the direct links and all the resources I talk about in the description down below. So you'll have everything that you need. So once you're on this page, you can download the Visual Studio Code for your operating system. So you can just click on download and then just install it. Once you have this installed, we can just come here to open up Visual Studio Code. I'll just click on new window. So here we have the Visual Studio Code open up. The first thing that you're going to have to do if you're using this for the first time is to come into extensions. You want to search for Claude Code. Click on this. You want to make sure that it's directly from Anthropic, so it's the official one. So here you would just click on install. And once you have this installed, you will see this little orange Claude icon here on the top right, where we can open up Claude Code. So next, what we're going to do is to come click on Explorer, and let's click on Open Folder. So let's create a new folder specifically for this project. So let's click on New Folder, and I'm going to name it AI TikTok Shop Example, and you can name it anything that you want. And let's click on Create, and then let's click on Open. Click on Yes, I trust the authors, and then you see that folder opened here. So now Claude Code is going to be able to work in this specific folder. So next, let's click on this Claude icon here. So we can open up the Claude chat. we can close out the other chat window here, and then we can click on yes, I trust this folder. And then Claude Code is going to be open. So next we are basically going to talk to Claude Code and create that processor that I just showed you. So how you're going to do this is to use something called Whisperflow. That's what I use because it just makes everything so much easier. And there's a website, and I'll also list a link in the description below. And this allows you to basically talk to Claude Code. And in my experience, this is the most accurate voice-to-text AI that I've used. So I definitely highly recommend it. So once you have this downloaded and installed, let's come back into Claude Code. And then we are going to double click on the function key that activates the voice-to-text function. That's how you can talk to Claude Code or talk in any other apps that you use. And then we are going to say, I want to set up a processor where I drop a raw video footage in a specific folder. Let's name that folder raw videos. And then I want you to be able to edit that video for me and then output into a specific folder named ready to post. When I drop in a video footage, I want you to first duplicate the clip, and then in the duplicated clip, I want you to reverse it. That is the first edit. And then I want you to create a banner on top of the video that says huge sell. And then underneath that, I want it to say end soon with the eye emoji. So that would be the smaller banner. And then beneath that, I want you to type out in text the specific product name. And that specific product name will be named as the video file. So I will basically name that video file that specific product name, and the product name will go on the video. I will provide you with a reference image so that you know exactly what I'm looking for. You can go ahead to create the two folders and walk me through how we can set this up. And then you can click on the function key once, and then all that text is going to be pasted here inside the Claude Code and just hit send. And you can see here. So next, let's grab the reference that I talked about. So let's come into this one, and let me just screenshot this. So this reference, it could be any reference that you find online or any reference that you want to duplicate. So I'm just going to use this one as an example. And let's come into the folder that we created, the AI TikTok Shop example folder. And then we are going to create a folder here named reference. Click on it, and then let's drag that screenshot into that reference folder. Let's come back into Claude Code here and then click on yes to give it permission. And then you see the two folders created. One is raw video and one folder is ready to post. And if you come back out here to the original main folder, you see that two folders here. And then also click on yes here so we can continue to run the process. Okay. And then we're going to see a few notes here before you share the reference image. The eye emoji in FFmpeg, draw text requires an emoji capable font. I currently output end soon as plain text and can add the emoji once I confirm font rendering works on your machine. Banner size, font sizes, and colors are all in the config block at the top of the process videos.py. And then it says go ahead to drop the reference image when you're ready, and I'll dial in the exact look. So we are going to say, I've already dropped the reference image in the reference folder. Can you please check? So basically you can just like chat with Claude Code, like in a conversation, and tell it what to do, and then it's going to create it. And then what it's going to do is to look at this reference. It's going to analyze like what font this is, what's the size of the banners and the text, and how it's going to look, and it's going to try to replicate that basically. So any reference that you provide is going to try to replicate. So let's say if you want to create like a different look or different colors, you can just chat with it and then it's going to create that. So that's why it's important to download the Whisperflow. So that allows you to basically just talk to it in the most accurate way, and then it's going to convert what you're saying into what you want to create. Let's click on proceed. And then let's click on yes again. It's basically going to install everything that it needs in order to generate that. So this will take a few minutes, and I'm just going to let it run and come back when it's done. That took about almost 7 minutes, and it looks like everything is done now. So now let's test out this processor. So in the folder here, I'm going to open up raw videos. And on the bottom here, I'm going to open ready to post, right? Let me go find a product video. Okay, so I've found a product video here. This is what the video is. So let me just play it. So this would be the raw video footage that was generated by AI. Okay, so let me just drag this into the raw video folder and see if it works. Okay, it is not loading, so let's come here to Claude Code and just ask, I've dropped a video into the raw video folder, but the processor is not running. Can you troubleshoot it? So anything that doesn't work, you can just ask Claude Code to troubleshoot it and it's going to fix it. So it's going to check on it and then we're going to find out why it's not working. So we just didn't launch it. So as you can see, it's being processed now. And then here we have the edited video file. So let's open this up. So as you can see here, AI is not perfect. This is very normal. And then I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix it. So at least we got the text down, but the placement is not correct, right? So with AI, like I said, it's very common for it not to get it right the first time, but we are just going to make the adjustments here. So I have taken a look at the processed video file, and I'm gonna need to make some adjustments. The two banners are not in the centered. That's number one. Currently, it's in left aligned. That is not how the reference look. If you take a look at the reference image, the placement is closer to the middle. And also the proportion of it, it's not like the reference provided. In the reference where it says huge cell and the eye emoji is clearly bigger. And then where it says end soon, which is what's underneath that, is clearly smaller. And then the title of the product in this example is the luxury hybrid mattress. It is not visible, so can we do the same style as in the reference image? That is white text, and then it has a black border around it. So that way it's much more clear. So can you take a look at the output and then make those changes? And then let's send that in. So it's very common to have to fix that or tweak it a couple of times to get it right. But once you get it right, it will basically run on autopilot. And then just let it do its thing. And then it's going to be thinking and then it's going to make the changes. And then it's saying, let me look at the reference image again alongside the current output to get the proportions right. So whatever changes that you want to make, whatever that you want to tweak, you can just basically talk to Claude Code and then it's going to make the changes. So you could use this to change the colors, change the font, change the style, change the type of editing. So basically you just have to like talk to it. Okay. It says all three issues are fixed. Here's what changed. So let's see if it's updated. So here we have a closer one, but I think it's still a little bit too close to the border, and then we can add some white space here. So then I can just say all three lines of text needs to be lower. Now it's too close to the border. Can you just let me know how many pixels is away from the top border? And then in between end soon and also the title of the product, it needs to be some white space there. Now they are too close together. A little bit white space between those two texts will make everything look a lot cleaner. So let's send that in and then get that fixed. Okay, and then you can see the exact pixel. So if you want to be more exact about the placement, you can just go with the exact pixel. So now it's at 12, and then we're going to see the sizing changes, and then here's the changes. So this looks better. There's some white space here. So if you want to make further changes, like I said, you can just like speak to it. You can change any style, any color, any text, any emoji. And this is how you can use Claude Code to edit your AI TikTok Shop videos. And I hope that was helpful. If it is, consider subscribing. And any questions you have, let me know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next one.